Guys, it's Running Kimono. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of the So Wrong It's Nom Cheese Advent Calendar. Very delighted to get my hands on one of these, and yeah, just delighted. And I purchased it for $19.99 at a Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest. And if you see one of these, buy it right away because they sell out very, very quickly. So showing you the front of the Advent calendar, we're just going to do a quick little unboxing. All these cheeses are from the UK and just kind of a novelty sort of a gift. If you have a cheese lover on your list, this is a really nice gift. All cheeses come with a little trivia or a quirky little comment. The first one is the cheddar cheese. The expiry date is on the back. I mean, it's just a really fun gift. So the second one is, oh, another trivia question. Wait for the cheese. Here it is, Applewood. We actually put those in a couple of omelets and they were really delicious cheese. And we have the red Leicester. This one was a really nice cheddar as well. I think it was like a cheddar cheese, very smoky and nice. And then we have the Jarlsberg, also quite delicious. My husband started plowing through these the first day that we opened it up. Another Applewood. So some of these start to repeat. This one, the Wensleydale. Definitely need that one on a cracker because it is kind of like a drier sort of a cheese. And apparently this calendar, if you're vegetarian, everything is like suitable for vegetarians, which is kind of nice too. You know, just somebody you might like not know what to buy a Christmas gift for. This would be a really awesome gift. This Jarlsberg one was quite yummy too. Yeah, so my husband's kind of a picky cheese eater, but he really enjoyed all of this. And I just thought we'd do a quick unboxing because it said to use by December the 27th. If I would have waited till Christmas Day, we'd have 2 days to eat all of this cheese. So just to spread it out and to just enjoy it for the month, that's what we're doing. And we chopped up a couple, I think, of the Applewoods and put it in like eggs one morning. It was really good. So yeah, it's just kind of a different sort of a gift. And yeah, it is a little bit out of pocket, but you know, if you want something a little bit unique or somebody that's, you know, really hard to buy for, this is really nice. Applewood. That was also really nice. So I think at Aldi grocers, they're all over the US, they had an advent calendar in 2018. And I know that those calendars, once they were released on the floor, at least at my store and like at every other store, like within an hour of our house, they had all sold out like the first day. Like they were just such a novelty gift and people just went, you know, they just went and bought all of them. So if you see one of these, buy it right away if you're curious, because if you go back to the store the next day, it's probably gone because it's such a popular gift. And it was really almost impossible to find it. I think there's a lot of like people that absolutely love cheese in my area, so they got cleared very quickly. And there is the empty pans. And just to show you guys, this is an 8-cup mixing bowl and I have it halfway full. So that's a good amount of cheese. And just to show you guys another picture here, I got 6 of the cheddar cheeses, 6 of the Applewoods, 4 of the Wensleydales, 4 of the Jarlsberg, and 4 of the red Leicester. All very scrumptious cheeses. I gotta say though that the Wensleydale, as I said earlier in the video, you kind of need that on a cracker, but the rest, you could eat them with a piece of fruit or on their own, or just pack them in a lunch or have them at nighttime with a glass of wine. They're very delicious. Except for that one, it needs to be put on a cracker because it's a very drying cheese. And a couple of the stores that are selling these cheese advent calendars, if you're interested. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.